Hey guys, this is Joey from Linbay Machinery. Welcome to our channel. Today I will introduce the step beam roll forming line, which consists of the decoiler, the roll forming machine, the cutting machine, and the welding machine. This advanced machine is designed to make various sizes of step beam, same width and different height, make it an excellent option for you to start your step beam manufacturing project. This guiding and feeding part is designed to use a smooth and accurate flow of the steel coil. In order to achieve multi-size production, we can turn the hand wheels to move the guiding rollers to change the feeding weight. And then it's the leveling machine. We can also call it a leveler. It has two up rollers and three lower rollers, efficiently flattening the steel coils with 1.5 to 2 millimeter thickness. This range aligns with commonly used step beam thickness. And now we see is the perforation device. It can place notches. The notches are placed by the perforation devices, and the position of the notches can also be changed if the feeding weight is changed. These guiding rollers can be moved by turning the hand wheels on that side. This part has a double wall panel structure, and it can produce step beam with any height automatically, ranging from 17 millimeter to 140 millimeter. This part has a double wall panel structure, and it can produce a step beam with any height automatically, ranging from 17 millimeter to 140 millimeter. The motors on the left and right side can provide power for machines to move on the rails at the same time, so you don't have to worry about the center line. And then we can also provide the motor customization service, such as 220 volts, 380 volts, and 415 volts, and more. The further back, the larger the diameter of the roller. If the height of the step beam is 10 millimeter higher, the diameter of the roller is also need to be increased by 10 millimeter. The raw material of the roller affects our quotation, so the size of the step beam is also very important. Finally, we're going to review the reasons for the notches. Two notches will come together and become a cutting hole. This hole can help the hydraulic cutting more easier and almost doesn't distort the step beam. And in addition, these two welding machines will weld at the position near the cutting hole, making it stronger, and it will not distort the step beam. So we recommend these two devices for you guys. The traditional cutting method is the saw cutting. A pair of the saw blades costs about $150. It will cut about 1,500 times, which means in 2 or 3 days you need to change the blade. So we have the innovation of the hydraulic cutting and the perforation device. Every part of our machines will be tested before delivery, so you can produce on time after receiving. If you are interested in our machines, please feel free to contact us. See you next time.